Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can open a Western Union digital banking account. So now I'm currently at the Western Union official website. So if you want to visit the website, I'm just going to paste the link down below. And then from here, to open a Western Union digital banking account, you just have to complete the 9 steps below. So first is open the Western Union application and just set up a password. Now, after that, just enter your phone number and then verify it with the 6-digit code sent to you. So you can check your um, text messages and see the 6-digit code that is sent to you from the Western Union to verify your phone number. After that, just set up a passcode and complete your biometric authentication. And you also have to enable access to your phone camera and enable device location. After that, just scan your ID document from different angles and then confirm the information that you have provided. You can also try adding a few more details, such as your first and last name, your date of birth, your gender, and then after that, a complete postal address. And then after that, you just have to take a selfie in good lighting. You have to make sure that um, your background is good and your face is not too far from the camera. And then after that, just fill out for few more details about employment, preferences, and also your tax ID. Now, once you're done with that, once you're done filling all the information about you, about your employment and everything, you just have to click submit. And then you just have to be patient since they will send you an approve if your application is approved, and you will see that on your email, or maybe it will be sent to your phone number. So they will just notify you as soon as your application is complete. And that's basically how you can open a Western Union digital banking account. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!